This is product code 15456. This is a remote-controlled, battery-operated LED. You can use this LED in dark areas such as walkways, cabinets, dressers, under the sink, toolbox, and other dark areas. Cradle with mounting holes allows for easy placement, uses battery power, so very low power consumption. LED measures approximately 4.95 inches by 2.06 inches. Cradle measures approximately 5.12 inches by 3.14 inches with a 1.2 inch thickness. Remote measures approximately 2.59 inches by 1.41 inches with a 0.52 inch thickness.